Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2018 Suzuki SV650. I'm going to grab a camera and have a good close look around the bike for you. Okay, let's get a close look at this Suzuki. It is HPI clear. It does also come with a spare key, and it is data tagged. So what we'll do, we'll start at the front and we'll work all the way around the bike, get a good close look at the condition. This is in a nice metallic blue. You can see it does have ABS on this. It's got the EvoTech radiator cover on there as well. It is low mileage, this one. Let's get a look at the tank. Get a look at the condition on this side. All nice and clean there. Get a look at the side of the seat and the plastics. Let's get a look at the chain and sprocket as well, and the back wheel. Let's get a look over the top of the seat and over the top of the tank. This has also got a Capra top box on it. It is removable if you don't like it. And it's quick release as well. So let's move round to the right hand side. Let's get looking at that back wheel and the back brake. It's also got a Scorpion red power exhaust on it. Let's get a look at the plastics side of the seat and tank on this side. Move the bars around so we can see all of the tank. Let's get a look at all the side of the engine from this side. Good look at that exhaust. Let's get a look low down. And we'll finish up at the front wheel from this right hand side. What we'll do now, we'll go and take a look up at the dash, get a look at the controls and get the exact mileage off it. Right, let's get a look at the controls. So you got your front brake, your throttle, starter and your kill switch on that side. Over on the other side we've obviously got the clutch, we've got the lights, indicators, horn and your hazards. So let's put the ignition on, get a look at the mileage. It's done just 4,987 miles. Okay, let's start this up, listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything you want to see in close up, we can do that for you and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you.
Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.